Today we are going to do the story Officer Buckle and Gloria. Let's see what they're saying. The essential question could be, why is it important to follow safety rules? It's very important about the safety rules, so try which safety rules you should follow. You can also learn many things from that, so try it now. Let's see. We started. Officer Buckle knew more safety tips than anyone else in Napville. Every time he thought of a new one, he thumbtacked it to his bulletin board. Safety tip number 77. Never stand on a swivel chair. Officer Buckle shared his safety tips with the students at Napville School. Nobody ever listened. Sometimes there was snoring. Afterward, it was business as well. Mrs. Topple, the principal, took down the welcome banner. Never stand on a swivel chair, said Officer Buckle, but Mrs. Topple didn't hear him. Then one day, Naples Police Department bought a police dog named Gloria. When it was time for Officer Buckle to give the safety speech at the school, Gloria went along. "Children, this is Gloria," announced Officer Buckle. "Gloria obeys my commands. Gloria, sit." And Gloria sat. Officer Buckle gave safety tip number 1. Keep your shoelaces tied. The children sat up and stared. Officer Buckle checked to see if Gloria was sitting at attention. She was. Safety tip number 2, said Officer Buckle. Always wipe your spill before someone slips and falls. The children's eyes popped. Officer Buckle checked on Gloria again. "Good dog," he said. Officer Buckle checked on Gloria again. "Good dog," he said. Officer Buckle thought of a safety tip he had discovered that morning. So never leave a thumbtack where you might sit on it. So if you sit, what will happen? Look. The audience roared. They also laughed, right? Because she's doing the actions. Officer Buckle grinned. He said the rest of the tips with plenty of expression. The children clapped their hands and cheered. Some of them laughed until they cried. Officer Buckle was surprised. He had never noticed how funny safety tips could be. After this safety speech, there wasn't a single accident. So you know why things happen? Because there is a reason, there is a cause. Always there is a cause to happen something, and as a result there is an effect. So we can learn here the cause and effect things also. The children, question is here, what do the children do when Gloria acts out Officer Buckle's safety tips? So how the children are reacting and what can they do later on? So here is cause and effect. The next day, an enormous envelope arrived at the police station. It was stuffed with thank you letters from the students at Napville School. Every letter had a drawing of Gloria on it. Why? Why do you think there was a drawing of Gloria on it? Because they loved that, right? Yeah. Officer Buckle thought the drawings showed a lot of imagination. His favorite letter was written on a star-shaped piece of paper. It said, "You and Gloria make a good team. Your friend Claire. I always wear a crash helmet." Safety tip number 7. Officer Buckle was thumb-taking Claire's letter to his bulletin board when the phone started ringing. Grade schools, high schools, and daycare centers were calling about the safety speech. They were calling because they wanted that they should also get these speeches, and their children may learn the things from him, right? Officer Buckle, they said, our students want to hear your safety tips, and please bring along the police dog. They want the police dog there, right? Officer Buckle told his safety tip to 313 schools everywhere he and Gloria went. Children sat up and listened. Earlier they were not listening. Now they are listening because of Gloria. They are paying attention. After every speech, Officer Buckle took Gloria out for ice cream. Officer Buckle loved having a buddy. Then one day, a television news team videotaped Officer Buckle in the State College auditorium. When he finished safety tip number 99, do not go swimming during electrical storms, the students jumped to their feet and applauded. They were very happy because Gloria showed that bravo, bravo, they cheered. Officer Buckle bowed again and again. How he was going? Okay, thank you. You can see. And that night, Officer Buckle watched himself on 10 o'clock news. The next day, the principal of Naples School telephoned the police station. Good morning, Officer Buckle. It's time for our safety speech. Officer Buckle frowned. I am not giving any more speeches. Nobody looks at me anyways, because the students are not paying attention to him, right? That's why he didn't want to go there now in that school. Oh, said Mrs. Topple. Well, how about Gloria? Could she come? Someone else from the police station gave Gloria a ride to the school. Gloria sat on stage looking lonely. Then she fell asleep. So did the audience. After Gloria left, Naples School had its biggest accident ever. It started with a puddle of banana pudding. Splat, splatter, sploosh. Everyone slid smack into Mrs. Topple, who screamed and let go of her hammer. You can see what's happening here. What happens when the people don't follow Officer Buckle's tips? You can see what is happening. So many accidents happen there. The next morning, a pile of letters arrived at the police station. Every letter had a drawing of the accident. Officer Buckle was shocked. Oh, what happened? At the bottom of the pile was a note written on a paper star. Officer Buckle smiled. The note said, Gloria missed you yesterday. Your friend, Claire. Don't worry, I was wearing my helmet. Safety tip number 7. She remembered that, right? Gloria gave Officer Buckle a big kiss on the nose. Officer Buckle gave Gloria a nice pat on the back. Then Officer Buckle thought of his best safety tip yet. Safety tip 101. Always stick with your buddy. It means always stay with your friend. Buddy is a friend. So you should always be with your friend also. Alone you are nothing. When you are with your friends, you enjoy and you can do many things. And the main thing is you should follow the safety rules. Then you will be safe. There will be no accidents. You should take care about what should you do and what you should not do. Okay? I hope you enjoyed it.